In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite an advisor in Xero. If you're looking to streamline your accounting processes or just need a little extra help managing your finances, inviting an advisor to your team in Xero can be a game changer. This process is quite simple and straightforward, so let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open the Xero website. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so. This will ensure you have the necessary permissions to make the changes we're about to discuss. Now that you're logged in, look for the Settings option. It might be located at the top of the screen or in a menu on the side, depending on your page layout. Once you've found the Settings section, click on it to proceed. In the Settings menu, you'll want to locate the Users option. This is where you can manage the different people who have access to your Xero account. Click on Users to get started. Now, you'll see a screen displaying all the current users associated with your account. To add your advisor, find and click on the Invite User button. This will open a new window where you can input the details of the person you're inviting. At this point, you'll need to enter the advisor's first name, last name, and email address. It's crucial to ensure that you input this information accurately, as the email you enter here will be used to send the invitation. Take an extra second to double-check everything before moving on. After entering the personal details, you need to select the permissions for this new user. Permissions determine what the user can see and do within your Xero account. Click on the Business and Accounting option, which will provide the access needed for their advisory role. Then, you'll see the Advisor option. This specifically gives them access to the features they'll need to assist you efficiently. Make sure this is selected before you continue. If you want your advisor to also have the capability to invite other users, you can check the Can Invite New User box. This is optional, but it might be beneficial if you're planning to expand your team in the future. Once you've reviewed everything and ensured it's all set up correctly, you're ready for the final step. Click on the Send Invite button. This action will send an invitation email to your advisor, allowing them to join your Xero account with the permissions you've defined. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully invited an advisor to your Xero account. This should help you better manage your finances and take a bit of the load off your shoulders. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.